Hi YouTube, I'm Russell Dano of Istay Caloocan. I'm here to share my knowledge about difference between storage and memory. So storage is provide capacity for all the files and information you need. The example is the capacity of the computer's hard disk. And the memory provides a working space. The example is the amount of random access memory called RAM installed in the computer. So in computing, memory refers to the physical device used to store programs or data on temporary or permanent basis for use in a computer or other digital electronic device. The main memory is divided into two parts. First is random access memory. Just like I said before, it is better known as read-write memory. And the second is read-only memory or called ROM. The RAM is a set of memory chips. Each them is an IC made of millions of transistors and capacitors, and it's volatile because their state is lost or reset when the power is removed from the system. About the usage, it holds data application programs from the input device or storage. And the capacity is determined the number of size of the program can be run at the same time as well as the amount of data that can be processed immediately. In the RAM, there is two types of it, the SRAM and DRAM. SRAM is called static random access memory. It is secondary memory used flip-flop to store each bit of data, so does not need to be periodically refreshed, and it's faster and consumes low power, and it's expensive and hard complex. DRAM is dynamic random access memory. It stores each bit of memory and capacitor in an IC. Real capacitor leak change, so capacitors need to be refreshed periodically like SRAM, and it's very high density. The ROM contains which are fixed when the chip is manufactured. Holds the bootstrap loader part of the operating system and retain its data when the computer is switched off. ROM also have types: the programmable ROM, erasable PROM, and electrically EPROM. PROM is once programmed the data cannot be erased. EPROM is like PROM, only the chip can be removed from the computer and program erased and another is stored. EEPROM is like EPROM, but electricity is used to erase and program. The disk memory has two kinds of it. First is magnetic disks, are particularly platter or plastic and coated with magnetized material where bits of data are stored. The magnetic disk has two types: the hard disk and floppy disk. Hard disk is a storage medium that consists of one or more. The RPM of it is 5,400 to 7,200. The floppy disk is portable, inexpensive storage medium that consists of a thin, circular, and flexible plastic with magnetic coating enclosed in a square-shaped plastic shell. Second disk memory is optical disk. It is mass storage device that can store large amounts of data, and its digital code are read by laser. Optical disk has 5 types of it. First is CD-ROM, called compact disk read-only memory, capable of storing 72 minutes overall. Second is CDR, called compact disk recordable. It's just like CD-ROM. Third is CDR/W, called compact disk rewritable. This type of disk allows you to write information to it as well as read from it. Fourth is DVD, called digital versatile disk, as hold data of 4.5 to 4.7 gigabytes. And the last is Blu-ray technology. Its name was derived from the blue violet laser that is used to read-write data, but nowadays have flash drive, and it has different capacity storage of it. And my report is done, and that's all. Thank you. Have a nice day, nigga.